Yes, guys, AJ here from Just Teaching Stuff. I hope you're well. Guys, on this video, I'm going to hopefully inspire you and hopefully give you some ideas to get you started selling your products on other platforms like Shopify. Guys, this is a fantastic alternative to sell your digital products so that you're able to get other income streams, not only from Etsy, but really there's many reasons why you should really be going and creating your own Shopify website and creating your products there too. But guys, as usual, without further ado, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, designing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And yeah, let's share, please, because sharing is caring, right? Anyways, let's get into this madness. So guys, look, I'm on Etsy as usual. I'm looking at Tumblr wraps right now specifically. But listen, any digital download that you create or you have as your Etsy store, you can replicate that on Shopify. And look, let's be honest, Etsy is a massive marketplace. It's probably one of the biggest. And it's fantastic. It is fantastic. However, never put all your eggs in one basket, man. Come on, you must know that. Now, some people just kind of maybe through laziness, maybe through not having enough time. And that is, I understand that too. Maybe through not knowing, not having the knowledge to do it. Don't actually go away and sell on other platforms. And I think that's a huge mistake. I strongly believe that every seller on Etsy should be looking at alternatives, should be looking at other platforms like Gumroad, like other platforms out there. Now, the truth of the matter is, they may not be as good. They may not have as much traffic or as much people on there. However, if you add up all of these different platforms and you start getting your kind of authority on there, that means you're building your authority, building your trust, getting your reviews. Over time, you will see a big difference in traffic. So I'm a firm believer in start building now so that you'll have it all ready for the future. And to be honest with you guys, Etsy sometimes does mad things and things do happen. And sometimes suspensions happen. Sometimes people's stores are closed down. And you know what? These are our livelihoods. These are our livelihoods where we actually rely on this income. So if anything does go wrong, at least you'll have something to fall back on. Now, for today's video, I'm looking at specifically Shopify and Shopify stores, digital product stores that are actually selling. Now, some of these sellers are actually selling on Etsy anyway, but they're also selling through their own Shopify store. Now, you know what's very interesting is that, let's say I'm on the internet, right? And let's say I want to look for, let's say, Tumblr wrap. Okay, Tumblr wrap. Now, remember, this can be for any niche. Type in the niche that you're in and see what comes up. But let's say you're looking at Tumblr wrap, okay? You want to buy some Tumblr wraps. And, people do search on the internet. They're not just on Etsy. So if you're looking for some kind of Tumblr wrap, you're looking for some clip art, you type it in. Now, what happens is on Google search, you will get a lot of the top ones. You look at this, actually come up from Etsy itself. So there is a lot of results from Etsy. And not only are these images there where you click on it and it take you to the listing, but also you got Etsy at the top here. Because like I said, it's one of the biggest places. However, guys, there are people out there that are actually started selling through Shopify stores and they're getting that, if you like, that authority on Google. And what I mean by authority is over time, with people clicking, people buying, people viewing your store or your website, should I say, your Shopify website, you will go up the rankings. So for example, this is, I guess, one of the top ranking website, right? So if I click on it, they sell Tumblr wraps, okay? Now, these guys obviously sell different things, not only Tumblr wraps, sublimation prints and so on, but they have many different designs in here with these. So obviously, for example, here's some Tumblr wraps, which they sell. These are daily affirmations, breast cancer, affirmation. These are specific in this topic of affirmations, right? So if I click on it further, Obviously, you can get to see the design a little bit more. It's a nice website. You know, obviously they've created this website themselves, and they've got the pricing there and so forth, right? Now, this is one of the highest ranking, if you like, websites out there. When you're typing a specific type of, when I'm typing in Tumblr wraps, okay? Now, obviously, they sell various things. You've got Christmas probably designs as well, which are very popular. Oh, you got the gnomes. The gnomes are back in the game. Gee. These gnomes are always there. Look at them, right? So you got these 20-ounce skinny Tumblr wraps. Now, look, this is a must, guys. This is a must. It takes time to build your authority on Google because Google needs to obviously understand. But I tell you many advantages of having a website, and I'm going to show you a few more websites. Is that not only can you extract all your information, you can actually extract your information from Etsy, all your listings, and you can extract it on a website like a Shopify website. So you can have all your information there. So not only if something happens to your Etsy store, do you have a backup? It's like a backup anyway as well. So that if anything happens, you have all your designs, all your information, all your listings up on another website. So that's one. Secondly, it's professional. To have your own website, your own place to go to is professional. People will be like impressed. People might click on your website and might want to see what else you've got outside of Etsy, right? The other thing is, it's yours. You're in control. You own it, right? When it's on the Etsy platform, really, Etsy are the ones that kind of own it, right? Although it's your store, you know, they're in control, right? You're not really in control. Things can happen along the way. Look at these fantastic mug wrap designs, guys. Sorry, I'm just looking at these fabuloso mug wrap designs. Look, Easter's ready. Look, okay? So there's a lot of people that have gone across and selling their own. Now, I'm going to jump onto some other websites that are doing also pretty good on the internet, right? So here's a few different websites, right? I'm going to look at some of these Shopify websites. Like here's some more Tumblr wraps. You can see these. Again, they got their own pricing, their own sale. You can pay by PayPal here, add to cart, which is quite cool, quite nice. You know, you are having your own branding, your own website out there. But, you know, a lot of people say to me, look, here's another one. This is another fabulous one. Now, what's really cool is they sell these little sublimation PNG designs here. And you've got all these different categories that they've got. Now, these are quite cool, actually. They've got various things here. They got even like these earring ones, wind spinners. What it is in terms of categories, wow, they even got car coolers. Doormats. Wow, they've really gone to town with this one. Let's have a look at some of these doormat designs, these coasters. Look at these. Wow. So these are some doormat designs. Amazing. That is really cool. See, what's amazing is it gives you another income stream, right? It gives you a way to promote yourself in a different way. It gives you a way of actually showcasing what you have in a different format. Look, they got bookmark sublimations, I presume. Look at these. I did a video on these ones. Quite nice. Digital items, right? But and not only that, see, there's a digital design bundle, quite cool, right? And what's nice is you can almost like create your own design, your own style within it, you know, for your website. So professionality is one thing where people can say, okay, these guys have got a proper website. Not only is it fantastic because it's another way of getting your passive income, and I think the time to start this, if you haven't started, is right now because it does take time to build authority on Google. Right, here's another one. What do they sell? They sell all sorts of things. There's some Tumblr wrap designs, some logos. They're really cool. Look at this. Page 1 to 76. Wow, that's amazing. Right? Here's another fantastic one. These are called wraps for you. No physical items are sold. Oh, they got some nice cool mock-ups as well. These featured ones. Look, with some cool designs. Let's view all. Featured images. Now, like I said, these are just digital downloads. And, you know, a lot of these are sold also. They sell the same designs onto the on the Etsy store, right? And there you go. Look, there's some Tumblr wraps. Quite cool Tumblr wraps. Yeah, so look, this is what I'm saying. People are on it, people are doing it, people are selling it, and there's all sorts. Look, it even stops you from leaving the website, mate. Here's another website, another cool digital Tumblr wraps. Remember, I was looking specifically at digital Tumblr wraps, but obviously some people sell Tumblr wraps and they sell other products too, because obviously you can go here, you go to the digital downloads, and actually some people have got, actually a lot of people have got different products. It's not just obviously Tumblr wraps. Look at that, glass can wraps, seamless files, laser wraps, digital pen wraps. Yeah, I need to do a video on digital pen wraps. Right, really nice, cool design, nice little logo, easy navigation to get around. Very cool, very nice. I like these Libby glass, come on, glass can wraps are really, really good to get into. All right, here you go, look at that, beautiful. Here's another one, digital SVG store. You can even start a chat with them, man, if you want to. Look at that. So this is cancer, SVG, awareness, images which are being sold, which are really, really cool. Like I said, you know, this is not hard to set up. Check out the link in my description for the Shopify, so you can get started on it just at the top of the description. I think the sooner you get to do this, the better. In terms of, like I said, at least as a backup. And not only as a backup, you'll be surprised. The more authority you get through, here's another one called Southern Lake Designs. Check this one out. They've got a fantastic catalog of these beautiful PNGs. And what I'm saying is, it will become another way of getting some income, right? Because once you get your authority, once you get a link and people are going to the store, then you're going to start building up traction. And then slowly the organic will start building, because as people search for specific things, your website will come up. So look, it does take a little bit of time. That's the truth. But there's also another way if you want to cut through this in terms of speed things up. Now, as you know, with Etsy, you can do Etsy ads, right? To promote your listings. It's exactly the same thing with Google. You can actually do Google ads where you promote your using keywords. So whatever you sell, let's say it's clip arts or Tumblr wraps or sublimations, actually you can have your listing or your website promoted on the first page using specific keywords. And that can also help you get a lot of traction and eyes on your store, and also help you build up that sort of authority. So I definitely think, here's another one, guys. Check this one out. Look at that. Fantastic. And I believe I've seen this one as well. Look at that. Lots of interesting designs. These are bundles. And you've got all the products here. Look at these. All these products here. Stickers, sublimation transfers, Libby wraps, made to order, sweatshirts, got stickers. Pretty cool, man. Look at these. Yeah, really cool. So guys, look, loads of people, and these are just a few that I found, by the way. A few of the good ones I found. There's so many out there. Everyone's starting to do this. So look, don't be left behind. Get onto this quickly, because I think the quicker you build and get your Shopify store, the better. So like I said, guys, on many different angles, it's amazing. Firstly, it's professionality. Secondly, it also helps you in case something goes wrong with your Etsy store. Hopefully it won't, but you never know. So you got to have that kind of backup. And thirdly, it gives you that sort of, I guess, authority within your niche. You know, if you've got a website, everyone's got a website. Every brand's got a website these days. Every good brand's got a website. So having your website and having able to sell through your website is a fantastic way. The other thing is, everybody that comes through that subscribes is yours. So like you have, there's nobody on top of you, if you like. You are the one in charge of your own store. So it's fantastic in that respect, because not only can you speak to your own customers however you want, in terms of promoting your store, there's many ways you can do this. Like I said, to help grow it quicker. And my advice is to use things like social media, which is fantastic. So through all your social media, promote your website, promote your store, so you can start getting those sales through there, so that the algorithm can start favoring you, and also make sure that you use, if you want to speed up the process, just like you do with Etsy ads, you can use something called Google Ads, and that again will start elevating your website, get it up seen in certain search terms, so that you can get your website pushed up the pages quicker and quicker. And like I said, the quicker you do this, the better. So guys, hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one.